Happy VA Wednesday. So today we're going to be talking about when you're doing a jumbo VA refinance, what you need to know. So if you're new to the channel, I'm a mortgage lender licensed in 48 states. I'm actually ranked as the #1 VA loan officer in America. So when I say I talk to a lot of veterans, I do. Okay. Here's what you need to know. So first of all, what is jumbo? So jumbo in many parts of the country is anything over $765,000, and then in other parts of the country it could be anything over like 1.1, okay, 1.1 million. It's a category that didn't really exist in VA until 2020. So the thing about VA is VA itself does not have a ton of rules or guidelines. However, especially in the jumbo category, lenders do. So I'm doing this video because I recently had a gal call me and she wants to do a VA cash out, and she wanted to pull out the total loan amount was going to be 1.6 million. Credit score was under 640, and I'm like, okay, no problem, we can definitely do that. And she's like, what? I'm like, yeah, it's fine. I priced it out, we went over rates, and she's like, what do you mean you can do it? I'm like, yeah, like you called, I can do it, like no problem. And she's like, I talked to 4 other lenders and they said it couldn't be done. Here's why. Different lenders have put overlays on jumbo. So they're all kind of getting comfortable with it and they haven't figured out where they're comfortable. So for instance, you know, I'm at rate and we can go up to 2 million, and the credit score is going to be based on what the computer accepts. So if it's a 600 credit score and the computer's fine with it, great. You know, if it's a 620, cool. Whereas some lenders are like, oh, well, if it's over $1 million, you better have a 700. Is that a VA rule? No, VA doesn't have a minimum credit score requirement regardless of the loan amount, but lenders do. That's the thing, you know. And the other thing she had heard is like, you know, we could go up to 100%, but when I did the pricing, I'm going to tell you guys, like, it was better at 95. Like with us at least, the difference between 95 and 100 is very different in pricing. So in that category, I was like, hey, like let's try to stick to 95 because this is the difference, and it mathed out. You know, but every lender is going to price differently. And, you know, she had talked to one lender that's like, well, we'll only go up to 90%, you know, and it wasn't a pricing issue. It's just that's as far as they would go. So if you have a larger VA loan, if you're looking at doing an interest rate reduction loan or a VA jumbo cash out, you know, make sure you're talking to multiple lenders. The other thing is if your credit score is on the lower side and someone says, oh, you can't do it, or oh, we can do it, but it's, you know, 2% more, definitely check in with me. You know, that's the thing. It's like I was quoting the difference between the low 6s credit score and 800, and it was about a 0.125 difference in rate, which is really rare. We're really passionate about making sure that people aren't punished for lower credit scores, especially in cases like this where it was just a, you know, credit card utilization issue. So make sure you're talking to multiple lenders, because you may talk to 2 that say, we can't do it. Then you talk to 1, they say they can do it, but they could be charging you a fortune. So check in. I just wanted to bring this to your attention because I think we're going to see more and more of this, especially as rates go down. Look, in terms of cash out, do I think it's a great idea to just take out cash for fun? No, but if you're consolidating high interest debt or there's a serious reason, a cash out refi, if the rate's lower than where you are, can be a great solution. It's just going to be taking the time to do the math. So quick video, but the key is this. Lenders have different guidelines. In jumbo, it's way worse than with anything else with VA. And if your loan's over 765 for most of the country, that will be considered jumbo. And in certain areas, it's over 1.1. But the key is this. If someone's telling you we can't, give us a call and we'll tell you where we're at. Thanks for watching.